This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Hey, it looks like, did it bring over our code from the last level? Huh. Can you change the code to make the harvester pick all the corn? I think. Let's try. It looks like it works. Oh, I hit the wall. Okay. So what I'm going to do to count this out is use step. So right now we're repeating it 6 times. South, pick corn. That was our first time. I'm going to hit step again. Zoop. South, pick corn. So we just did that twice. We'll hit the bottom and it's going to repeat to the top. This is our third time through. South, pick corn, hit the bottom, loop back through. South, and pick corn. So that was 4 times. So we don't want a 6 here. We'd want a 4. All right, and now let's try that out. And notice it just runs this repeat loop right after it finishes this one. Oh, awesome. We did it. Onward.